Late at night, you hear the noise. It's a nightmare. What's happening? Oh no! Is it getting louder? What are we gonna do? Oh, make it stop! Oh no, it's more. Oh. What's happening? When will it end? I can't believe this. Oh, would you just roll over? Ah. Alright, this is it. No more Mr. Nice Guy. The dreaded sleeping partner on the ship. Yeah, there he is, guys. That's what I get to hear. The solution? Hey, Max, roll over on your right side. Oh, he didn't listen. Max, roll over. I'm not cruising with you anymore. This is it. Like and subscribe, everybody.